Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome back to my... Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've never been here before. My name's Jazzmin. Today we're going to be talking about another Honey Birdette item, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button. I'd really appreciate it. It really honestly does mean a lot to me. Don't forget, I have a giveaway once I have 500 subscribers on YouTube that I will be giving away. So wait to hear more of that at the end. So today we're going to be talking about and unboxing the Rose Gold Bondage collection from Honey Birdette. Now, I do originally have their original release of cuffs and collar and harnesses. Some harnesses, not all. Some liquid harnesses, some liquid leather harnesses, and some regular ones. Now, something I was really confused on, they did release two bondage kits. They released a normal black version like they had last time, and they've released a rose gold set. Now, something I didn't quite understand, and I did speak to a couple of other honeys about this, is that in the black version they have a chain instead of a clip, like I'll show you in this box. And it's really weird. Like, I would have preferred the chain over the clips, as I have the clips. I know everyone doesn't have the previous cuffs and would have the previous clips, but just for something different. I thought the chain is much more versatile and you can do a lot more with it than the two clips. Like, being imaginative here, you can do a lot more with that chain than you can with those clips. I'm not a big fan of gold. I've never been a fan of gold. I personally like silver more. I think silver looks better on me. So I've always been a fan of rose gold more. Now, pop the rose. This luxe kit is for lovers and decadent and an all things bondage. Featuring liquid looking rose gold leatherette and glossy rose gold hardware. This set will have you all held up. The features are rose gold pendant leatherette, rose gold accessories, adjustable buckles, detachable chain on collar, detachable clip on cuffs. This is limited edition, guys, so if you do have your eye on this, get this now, ASAP. I have gone out and purchased, whoops, very, very pretty. But anyway, let's open this beautiful, beautiful rose gold kit. And I had it beautifully wrapped for me. So this is the little package. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. So this is, ooh, it's a bit dirty, but this is what it looks like. Sorry about my sweaty fingerprints. I have the worst fingerprints in the world. This is what it looks like in the box. So this is the Rose Gold Limited Edition Deluxe Kit Honey Birdette. And it says on the back, discover your fashion fetish, honeybirdette.com. I have to say, if you really want something from Honey Birdette and it's limited edition, get it. Like, even anything mostly from Honey Birdette, I classify as limited edition. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh, so excited! It's got tape on it, Jazzmin. As it shows. I didn't think this far ahead. Jazzmin didn't think this far ahead. Jazzmin never think this far ahead. Oh no. The little bits of tape ripped off some of the black stuff. I probably could have avoided that by being more gentle, but I'm not. Oh my god, I do have to tell you this, guys, just looking at it out of the box, like, wow, like, it is really, 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 really pretty. Like, I love it. So I've never opened this, as I've shown you, so this is the first time we're both getting a good look at them. Wow. I will have to say these feel a lot sturdier. Like their other ones. Wow. Wow. Nah, I don't know. I have no clue. I like both of them. Wow. These are really... It's not picking up, but they do have that nice little touch of them. It does say HB there, and as you can see in the light is in my television, you can see it is absolutely like a beautiful pinky rose gold. I'm gonna put one on for you. They feel, I love that they put these little clasps here, so they do feel more heavy duty when, say, you're a girl and you're putting it on by yourself, like just like now, and it's so much easier to strap on because of those. It is so much easier to strap on because of those metal bits. Oh wow, really wish these parts in the cuffs would be shorter, as I have a really small wrist, like even my pinkies like almost touch, like my pinky and my thumb almost touch together if I don't have nails. So I have a really small wrist, so it would be nice if they had like even one more. I wouldn't risk ever puncturing it in myself, but I wish they just had one more hole on my wrist. But I glad they are a bit bigger and a bit longer, so you could possibly wear them as feet cuffs as well. So you've got versatility there. Here's the other. So all metal, all of it feels like really solid metal. Doesn't feel like they've cheaped out in this. So wearing it, it's absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna put it up. They are a more comfier fit. I could wear my other ones all day and night, all day and night, and they wouldn't feel itchy, where I feel like after a while this would cause, I think once the leatherette would conform to your arm a bit, hopefully it would feel a bit better. But they feel absolutely amazing there. Wow, I'm in love. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the HB symbol, all the metal, the buckle. It is really a sight to be seen. Now this is the collar, I think, which is probably my favorite bit. Like, wow. Like, so this is the outside of it. Beautiful, quite long. So it's got the HB where you would clip onto the collar, and then it has the belt to hold in where you would attach. It has this beautiful pleatherette here. It has 7 holes for extension. So absolutely stunning. I am in love with this collar. It is beautiful. I have to say there's something really good about the other collar as well, because it is, I think, an actual leather. I'm not 100% sure. It cleans off really well. Like, I just have to spray a bit of alcohol on it and it cleans up really well. It looks so gold on camera, but it is a really nice rose gold. This is, it has been sitting in a box, guys, so give it a minute. It will, obviously, if you give it some time, it will loosen up in those areas. It does look like that, and then it does have a noose where you could chain anything really to it, your cuffs. So say if you had your collar on here and your thing was all the way down to the bottom, you could attach the cuffs to the thing, to the end of the rope. And same goes for the top, and there is the little hook. So that is what it looks like that, and it does have quite a decent chain. I will have to say something I am quite disappointed of in my first set of Bondage. From my first set of Bondage with Honey Birdette, it did come with 2 clips. So That would have been nice too if it had to come with 2 other clips. I guess that's just what I'm used to from receiving the first collection. But yeah, no, I'm really happy. But yeah, I really do wish there would have been another one of these, but I am absolutely in love. I'm really happy with my purchase. The Bondage kit was $200, so if you're looking to invest in that, I really would. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful accessory pieces to wear out. They're good in the bedroom. Honestly stunning. I will always recommend these accessories over anything. You could wear them out to Mardi Gras, a festival, like I said, the bedroom, out in it everyday wear if that's your kind of style. I would wear this. I would specifically wear this. I love this with, like, say, and like one of the buckles to accessorize, or even both, maybe, I don't know, depending what the look I'm going for. Definitely, like 100%. It's each to your own, really. It's personal preference. It's what you like as well. But I really loved it. If you can, I would really snatch this up quick. So for the giveaway, once I hit 500 subscribers, there are 2 different rules, one for Instagram and one for YouTube. For YouTube, you have to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button and share with a friend if you can. And then for Instagram, you're going to have to like, comment. All the information will be down in the description if you do need it. What you will be getting is a Juvia's Place Nubian palette, a Colourpop Fame palette, a pair of Model Rock eyelashes in the style 3, a Revlon volume length mascara, a BYS glitter face and body packet, a B Creations Angel Glow so you can be glowing, and a Jeffree Star Vela liquid lipstick in the colour I'm Shook, and I am actually wearing it today. I'm wearing it today. That is what you'll be winning in the giveaway. And once I hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, then someone will win. Anyone could win. And then I will be having more giveaways in the future. And don't forget, international people can enter no matter where you are. You are entered. As long as you follow those rules. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget, this is a limited edition rose gold bondage set, girls, boys, ladies, gentlemen. Okay, bye, girl. Bye. 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 Get out my face. Out my face. Ow. Ow. Things just gone wrong for me today, Betsy.